Using Snapseed app, we'll be adding text behind the subject in this image to make it look like this. So let's begin. We have imported our image in the Snapseed app. We'll start by clicking on Tools menu. Then we will scroll down to find the option Text and we'll click on that. A default text layer will be inserted. We'll double click on that and we will change the text according to our liking. You can write whatever you want to write here. Now we'll click on Style and we will choose a bold font here for our text. Now let's go to color. Choose the color of your liking. Let's go with the white color. Now using your two fingers on the screen, you can increase or decrease the size of the text. You can also align it wherever you want to align it in the image. Now apply. Now go to edit text, then view edits, then click on text and then click on brush. Now click on invert. Now with the text brush size at 0, we will brush on the text part which is covering the subject. Let's zoom in and brush on the text part which is above the subject, which is covering the subject. We have to remove this text. Zoom in, zoom out for better accuracy. And don't worry, even if the outer text is removed, we can easily get that back. I'll show you in a while how to do that. Firstly, let's try to remove the text which is covering the subject as precisely as we can. Now we will increase the size of this text brush to 100. And now we will paint on that part of the text which we want to recover. This step requires a little bit of time and patience to achieve perfect results. When you are satisfied with the results, click on Apply, then click on Back, then click on Export, then click on Export again, and your image will be saved to your mobile. I hope you like this video. If yes, please give it a thumbs up, please share it with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.